What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today we're getting ready to go for a test drive in a 1967 Chevy 2 Nova. It's got a built 350 under the hood, aluminum radiator. Should be a quick little car. We're gonna take her down the road. Any flaws that I see, I will point out and let you know. We do that with every car up here at Maple Motors. Check out our website, maplemotors.com, to see all of our inventory. You can also get financed and shipping information all on that same page. Before we hit the road, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Post videos every single day. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Gonna check out the interior before we take off here. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? The dash is nice and clean on this one. Interior looks pretty good as well. The carpet's nice and clean. Seats look good. They're not all ripped up. Do have a roll cage in here. Headliner's in pretty good shape. It is stretched back in the corners. Let's go ahead and start it up. Starts up nice and easy. Windshield wipers do not work on this one. Can't get them to do anything. Be waiting on the temp gauge to see if it works. The oil pressure is hooked up on this one. Trying to hear if the blower motor's cutting on. The car's so loud. I think I hear a fan kicking on down there, but I don't feel anything. Let's go try the horn. No horn on this one. Looks like I got a fuel pressure gauge on the hood there. Let's take off and see how she runs. Got a nice harness in here. Locks you in place. Anything that I see that this car may need, I will let you know. Believe this was reverse manual valve body, so should go backwards. Car sounds great. Speed. Basically a strip car. We're riding down the road. Temp gauge is not hooked up on this one. Oil pressure is, it is working, so. Got my turn signals on. I don't see anything popping up on the dash. Speedometer is not coming up in this car, and I do not trust the gas gauge. Steering's got a little bit of slack in it, as you can see. It's turning there and it's turning there. this parking lot, get some outside pictures of these cameras. You can see all the stuff that I use below in the description. I did notice the temp is starting to come up, so I'm guessing the gauge is working. Alright guys, getting ready to take off here and head back down the road. Been circling around this parking lot and the temperature is just now at 190, so the temperature gauge is hooked up on this one. Go ahead and hook my seatbelt back up. Couldn't do my drive around in this parking lot. Did get some outside shots, but this car is so loud it's basically a drag car, and there's a police officer in this parking lot that probably have no choice. So we're gonna head on up the road a little bit and get some more outside shots. Tighten this mirror up so I can see out of it better. Keeps falling down. You can see with the slack in the steering, it starts turning there and there. So it's got a little bit of play. Turn off in here and get some outside shots this way. Should do just fine. Guys, getting y'all set up on the head cam here. Made enough noise over here. People are looking now. We gotta go. Go ahead and get my seatbelt back on. Make sure to get y'all adjusted right here. I don't want you looking at the steering wheel the whole time. this road here. It's got a pretty significant speed bump in it that we can hit. Kind of gives you an idea on suspension wise. The suspension's great on this car. We'll let some of the people go up there. Right here, hardly anything at all, and that's a pretty significant speed bump. If you come up here and do a test drive, I'll show you. When I do hit the brakes, look at the steering wheel though. It's kind of pulling to the right. See, you hit the brakes, it pulls to the right. The steering wheel trying to. Alright guys, just got back from the test drive on this one. I'm gonna try to knock out one more today. That'll be 8 videos for today. If you didn't know about that shifter, pull it back. There's your first gear. Second gear is down. You're gonna go back to first, pull it in, that's neutral. Click this, that's reverse. Locks you out of reverse, back to park. Appreciate y'all riding. Hey guys, I appreciate you riding with me. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. Go ahead and check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures. You can also get shipping and financing information on there. I'm about to do a walk around video on this car, point out any kind of flaws that I can find so you know everything about it when you get here. It's a pretty fun test drive. If you don't mind hitting that subscribe button, that way you can see all the test drives of all these classic muscle cars that we post every day. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.